iBafana Bafana itheleke kuseMpondozankomo esikhumulweni sezindizi OR Tambo emva kokuphuma emqhudelwaneni we-AFCON obanjelwe eMorocco. Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton McKenzie uvikele umqeqeshi uHugo Broos kwabathi akakhonjwe indlela njengoba ethi akayindawo lomqeqeshi wenze umsebenzi omuhle eqenjini.
Hugo Broos is going nowhere, and I want to make that clear. Hugo Broos is going absolutely nowhere. Hugo Broos is going to Mexico. That's where Hugo Broos is going.
Umqeqeshi yena uthi akafune kuphawula kwamanje ngokushiwa abantu ngendlela kaqoke ngayo iqembu.
First of all, no, I don't want to make comments on that. First of all, secondly, I don't read social media because that is trash, what is on social media. And you know, I have the experience of 40 years that when everything is good, all those guys have to shut up. But the ones that is defeat, they have a big mouth. So they have a big mouth now, and I know that, and I can manage that.
Ungqongqoshe uphinde wathi yamnenga inkulumo kaHugo Broos egxeka iMorocco ngokuthi ihlulekile ukuhlela lomqhudelwano.
I was very annoyed with the coach of Bafana Bafana, and I'm going to be straight with you. I was highly annoyed. You don't do that. You don't go into a person's country and insult them in their own country. Nobody should do that. It is not collegial. It is wrong. He's in the hotel. How does he see vibes outside? We were on the streets. We saw the vibes. So it was very wrong. And I want to apologize to the Moroccans on behalf of his utterances. You don't do that. You don't insult people in front of the whole world that has welcomed us with such open arms.
uMcKenzie uthi uzokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuthi abadlali bayayithola imali yemihlomulo yabo ngoba wayinika iSAFA.
I've sent money personally from the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture to SAFA that must be shared amongst the players. I hope the players receive that money.
uHugo Broos uthi kwamanje akakafuni ukwenaba ngomgqiqo weqembu kodwa uthi bathole kunzima ukudlala namaqembu agabe ngabadlali abanamava okudlalela amaqembu aphesheya kwezilwandle.
When you see all those teams that you name now, those are teams with players who play in Europe. We don't have them. And that is a disadvantage for South Africa.
uHugo Broos uthi usazohluba udlube ekhasini ngokwenzeka emidlalweni ye-AFCON eMorocco noholele ekutheni bakhishwe kulomqhudelwano.